Hello and welcome back. Now, one very important aspect of character design is to get a good and strong silhouette. The silhouette is a very dark shape and outline of a person or object visible against a very bright background. For example, those romantic photos taken against a setting sun, that's a silhouette. Now, the important thing about drawing the silhouette is that your character is very easily recognizable. For example, see if you can recognize this silhouette. That one was easy, right? How about this one? Well, this one doesn't look like any character in particular, does it? That's because it's quite hard to recognize where each limb is and the pose the character is in. On the other hand, if I show you an image like this is quite more easily recognizable, isn't it? That's because it has a more dynamic pose and silhouette. Now, this doesn't mean that the previous image was wrong. It's hard to make a recognizable character just standing quietly. Or sometimes you don't want to make a pose particularly flashy, you just want a simple pose to work for the current mood. But for our character, we want to make a recognizable and well-presented silhouette right now. So based on your favorite gesture drawing that you did in the previous video, let's turn it into a silhouette. Simply block out the general shapes and see how it looks. Does it look too clumped together? If you show this to a friend, will they understand that this is a character in the pose you want? Ask yourself these questions or even show this to someone and ask them what they think it is. In fact, you can just post it in the community section of the course and ask for feedback as well. If you need to, exaggerate the movement that you're going for so that it's more easily recognizable. Try to leave white space between shapes instead of having a singular big shape. I'm going to do the exact same process in the next video with our character, so if you'd like to see what I mean more clearly, I'll see you in the next video.